Ready, set, go. Yeah, kick it far to Diddy. Whoa, good kick. I'll kick it to you. Oh, good kick, bud. Good save.
Good morning, guys. Have you said good morning to them yet?
No, I have not. Good morning! How are you? I'm good.
I was really excited. Had a lot of coffee.
It's the cold brew. That is coffee.
Yeah. Fancy places, huh?
Yeah.
So we are on our way to Dollywood.
Dolly Cat. Get it right. Dolly Cat.
Yeah, today it's
Gosh,
Dolly
can't
Cat.
take you out in public.
Hopefully the train is up and running again, and then we're gonna take some pictures, I think, and just kind of enjoy a nice, relaxing day at Dolly Cat.
Dolly Cat.
The weather is so nice.
It is
Our
really
windshield
nice
is
today.
so dirty, so don't mind that. But look how pretty.
The weather's nice, road's dirty.
What do you think? Are you excited?
Hey, you haven't said hi yet. Can you wave? Oh, your soccer ball's way over there, but yeah.
Soccer ball. Say hi. Hi. So,
You didn't blow kisses.
it's okay. He doesn't have to do it every day. So, yep, that's what we're doing. Hopefully it stays nice and cool.
I think it will. It's only 9:47, so. What kind of tram is it? Dolly Cat tram?
Oh, I bet some Toms.
There's the other one. There's the little one, huh?
Alright, so we are clear now.
It's a good angle.
We're gonna go in motion, folks, please.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to get your face in there, so all I get is
You're
tummy.
not gonna get everything.
Inside the tram, please.
Oh,
Are you excited?
Here we go.
Here we go.
You see down there?
If you didn't know anything, we have Jack and the Beanstalk, but I think that's Jesus and the Beanstalk.
She kind of looks like Merida.
Yeah, Merida and the Beanstalk.
And then this one looks like, he looks like, gosh, who is he? The fighter, like the guy from Mulan.
Oh, yeah. That's so horrible.
Changing the whole Bible.
Changing the whole Bible. Who knew that Merida was in the Bible?
She climbed the beanstalk.
She climbed the
That was
Beanstalk.
in the last book.
Yeah, that's in the Lost book, yeah, the Lost Revelations.
The Old Testament.
The Old Testament. The Animated Testament. I don't trust
Is he gonna hang up? Is Diddy a good couch? Yeah, Diddy, more times.
No, this is not a good thing. Grab my butt.
I think no handlebars there. I think Diddy, you're too heavy for Diddy to do that.
It's all in the hips.
He's gone, Alec.
What did he do? His hands in my back
Put
pocket.
his hands in your back pocket. Say, giddy up, Diddy.
I'm not horsey.
Get up, horsey.
Get up. Come on. What's going on?
Come on, get up, horsey.
Come on.
upstairs. I wonder if this would be better lighting. Nope, not better lighting. I'm upstairs editing the video and just kind of not looking like I'm 500 pounds. Just kind of relaxing a little bit. We got home a little while ago from Dollywood and having some fun, and I was just ready to lay down. There was a lot of walking involved today, and for someone who has not walked much, like at all the past few days, or the past few months actually, to then go from that to walking for a couple of hours, it just was a lot. So Tyler was nice enough to let me come upstairs and edit and just kind of relax a little bit, and I may or may not be in one of my new old lady nightgowns, which actually is not that bad. I'll show you guys later, probably on my channel, but in a haul, or in the hospital bag video, but it's polka dots, so it's not that bad. It could be worse, but of course then I have my favorite robe on, so I'm just kind of relaxing and enjoying some quiet downtime. And yeah, we had a really fun day today. It was just beautiful weather, and hardly anybody was at the park because it's a Monday, so like nobody was there, and it was just really, really nice. It was fun to spend some time with everybody, and Alec was happy and he had fun, and it was just fun to go out as a family and do something because we haven't really been able to do that much. So we had a really good time. Tyler goes back to work again tomorrow, and then we have some family coming into town at the end of the week, so that'll be kind of fun. We get to go over to my mom's and maybe spend some time over there with them, and yeah, so it's gonna be an exciting week. More packing starting tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go for the night, I think. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you had a great day. I hope you had a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Just go ahead and click subscribe. You know you want to. Why are you hesitating?